EVs and the power of batteries. Electric vehicles are no longer just the future, they're the present. And at the heart of every EV lies one crucial component, the battery. Batteries determine almost everything about an electric vehicle: how far it can go, how fast it charges, and how much it costs. The better the battery, the better the EV. Today, most EVs run on lithium-ion batteries, which have transformed the auto industry. But challenges remain: raw material shortages, recycling needs, and the constant push for longer range. This is why companies are racing to develop next-generation batteries. Solid-state batteries promise safer, faster charging, and double the energy storage. Sodium-ion batteries could lower costs with more abundant resources. And new recycling methods are making it possible to reuse critical materials instead of mining them again. Batteries aren't just powering cars, they're powering the transition to clean energy. Every improvement in battery technology brings us closer to affordable, sustainable, and widely adopted electric vehicles. The future of mobility truly depends on the battery.